For a long time, we had to treat artificial intelligence as a black box, guessing how language models arrived at their recommendations. But open weight models have changed the game. Now we can look directly inside to see the internal mechanics. By analyzing neural circuits, we can map the exact pathways, including attention flows and neuron activations, that light up right before a model mentions a brand. We can track how the model processes quality, tracks entities, and connects product categories to specific names. We can even test these findings through direct intervention. By artificially boosting specific neural pathways, a process called steering, we can observe exactly how the model's outputs change. This allows us to connect linguistic triggers, like using words like innovative or seamless, to the internal circuits that drive positive brand associations. When we design prompts specifically to trigger these internal circuits, the results are dramatic. In one test, this targeted approach increased brand mention rates from 42% to 78%. This shift moves digital brand strategy from creative guesswork to precise neural science. As artificial intelligence increasingly shapes what people discover and buy, understanding these internal mechanics allows us to optimize visibility effectively, while ensuring our efforts remain ethical, transparent, and genuinely helpful to the end user.